What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is, but it's not time for another cooking video, but it is time for another review. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that typically my reviews is something that I purchase and then I will use, and I want to tell you my experience with the product. This is a little different. This company reached out to me, wanted me to review their product and do a video with me cooking with it. So honestly, I'm going to give you my review. It's going to be a totally honest review. I don't do any products that because they're paying me for it, that I'm going to give a good review for. So this product is a knife, and it's called the Niku Toyko knife. And honestly, this is authentically from Japan, because it took damn near a month to get it here. So we're going to review this knife, see what it's about. Nice packaging, whatever. But we're definitely going to see what it's like. It's a different style knife than I normally use, so I'll give you an honest review. But let's talk about it a little bit. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the review of the Niku Toyko knife. Alright, so let's take a look at the knife here. This is as I said earlier, this is the Niku Toyko Japanese knife. Like I said, it's definitely authentically from Japan, because it took like a month to get it here. But the packaging is nice. It's a nice, hefty cardboard packaging. And let's open it up. Alright, so it comes these little protectors here. Don't need those. Throw them away. The knife itself, it's a heavy knife. It's kind of heavy. Put this aside. It comes in this leather, faux leather I should say. It's not real leather, but it's nice quality. It's a faux leather case or sheath here for it. Let's take that out. It's got it wrapped in plastic here. So again, it's a different shape of a knife than I normally use. Much so. It's got the name on the blade of the knife. It's a thick blade. Very thick blade. So, honestly, for me living in Japan for a little bit, the word Niku, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, the word Niku means meat. So I got some meat here I want to cut up, so that means that this knife is typically meant for meat products. It's a nice heavy build, I must say. It's a through-tang handle. The handle goes all the way through it. Or the blade goes all the way through the handle. It's got a hole in it to give you a little bit more stability. It's nice, very nice. It's got a little hole here so you can hang it up or put a handle on it or a string or something. It feels pretty sharp. It's a nice build, I must say. So the main thing is see if it's sharp and see how it feels in the hand when you start using it. So let's get to that. So I got some sirloin steak here, and I got an onion here. So we're going to do a little test here. So I'm going to cut up the onion here first. I do believe, like I said, Niku, I think means meat. But I am going to cut up this onion, and I'm going to cut some meat here for you. But let's get started. So right out of the box, it's sharp. Sharp as a wizard. With a thicker blade, it's really definitely made for meat. But I am going to cut up this onion. And I like the way it feels in my hand. So it's a little different, oddly built knife for me. But it does feel good. It's nice and heavy. So this part of the onion I'm just going to dice up here. It's a nice sharp blade, guys. Nice sharp blade. Dices up nice. But like I said, I do believe that this knife is definitely made for meat. So this onion, we're just gonna cut it in slices. I'm gonna use this onion in my video that's coming up that you'll probably see this week. Oh yeah. Hey, I must tell you, this knife is nice. I put my finger in this hole, see what kind of stability it gives me. It definitely gives you an added extra bit of stability when you put your finger in your hole. You can do some little tricks, I guess, but be careful, you don't want to cut yourself. That's a nice knife. It's sharp, really sharp. I wonder how long it retains an edge. If it's Japanese steel, it probably does retain an edge quite a little while. So let's cut up some meat. So I'm gonna trim a little fat off of this meat here. Oh my God, it's like butter. Hey, I'm telling you, I'm not giving you a false review. This knife is nice, super nice. Oh my God, I didn't think it was gonna be this good. I really didn't. I'm making nice little strips here. I'm making a steak sandwich for the ultimate steak sandwich for another video. So I'm going to use this in that video. Oh my God. Cuts like butter. It is a little, like I said, it's a different build for me. So it's a little different and I'm a little awkward with it. But guys, the Niku knife is a good product. Now, how long it retains an edge, you know, that's a question. My other knives that I use, my Delstrom, I just hit them with the steel a couple times, and the edge comes right back. I'm interested to find out if this does the same. But hey, guys, this knife is a nice knife. It's really nice. Meat cuts to it like butter. A little different time, a little bit more difficult time with the onion, but I think this knife is really made for meat. So guys, I'm going to leave all the links in the description about this knife if you want to pick it up. You can. I'm not sure what the cost of it is, to be honest with you, but it's a really nice knife and it does come from Japan. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.